it's kind of interesting. How do you build a multi-million dollar company? It's $1 at a time. But you have to really look at the junk removal business. And the way I saw it was I loved the multiple truckload jobs. I loved it when we had the house cleanouts, hoarders, the multiple truckload, huge jobs. But I didn't actively go out and go after those. I mean, my marketing wasn't slanted towards getting the biggest and best jobs. My marketing was slanted to go after the average job. And what is the average job? Well, look at your average job size. What are you selling? Usually, it's around a half a truckload, maybe a little bit higher. That's your bread and butter. That's where you want to see you grow your business. That's where I grew my business. You scale your business on the bread and butter. The extras that help drive your sales are going to be the multiple truckload jobs, but the bread and butter are going to be those half truckload jobs. People that call you up that have a half a truck of junk, they don't know what to do with it, whether it's construction debris, whether it's household goods, whatever it is. It's not going to be multiple truckload jobs that get you to the $1 million and over. It's going to be those average jobs, those jobs that are going to be from the 375 to 475, somewhere in that range. It's kind of interesting to see how some people want to market towards the larger jobs. And there's nothing wrong with that. But really kind of keep focused in on what's going to build your business, and that's going to be the average job. But how do you build the average job? It's kind of the kingpin. I know that some of the ways in which we developed the average job size was to train it. We trained it with our truck teams. We talked about how we can increase the average job size. How can we have the customer look around for items that would increase the job load? And I'm sure you guys have great ways to increase your average job size. In fact, if you wouldn't mind, if you have the right answers as far as what you do to increase your average job size, because that's the king, what are some of the things you do to increase your average job size?